Huns, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do a sleek high puff using my drawstring puff that I got from YIROO, an Amazon hair company. Watch my previous video if you want to see my unboxing of the puff, my thoughts on it, and how I styled it into a low puff style. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment because that helps my channel grow, and I really want you guys to grow with me on this beautiful hair, beauty, and fashion journey. So I'm speeding this up and not really explaining too much of what I'm doing here because I really just want to show you the end result, how the puff looks up top. And so sorry about my lighting, there's so many shadows and I don't know why. But anyway, I use the same method as I did in my other video on how to do a sleek high ponytail on natural hair. That one is more in depth than this one, so if you really want to follow along, I suggest you go watch that one first and come back to see what this high puff looks like. I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to tell you, so now into the tutorial. Now I'm nearing the end though of getting all this hair up, all slicked up and flat. I'm just doing my second ponytail, so connecting my bun in the middle of my head to the perimeter that I left out. And I will list all the products that I use in the description box below. And I have to use layers of gel. That's the only way I can trust that my hair will stay flat and not curl back up. And here's the back. You want to make sure you don't neglect this area. It's fine, you know, if you miss a couple spots when you're doing a long ponytail because no one can see it. But all my neck is out in this style, so you gotta make sure to give the back just as much attention as the front. And I have to use so many rubber bands, at least like 3 or 4, so it's secure. And y'all, if you don't know about this edge control, I would be the first to tell you that you need to get it. For a thick 4C hair advocate, this is what's getting my hair edges to stay down for days, I can say, without flaking, and it has a nice natural sheen to it. It's really worth the price to me. I want to say it was maybe $7 or $8 at my beauty supply store. Again, I do list all the products below. And I'm just working on my edges here, you know, getting them to look right. And I'm not too worried about making them too fancy or perfect. Just adding some style to this bun here. So once everything is set how I want it, I lock it in with this Got2b glue freezing spray. I prefer to use hairspray, but I don't have any, so I'm using this. And I'm going to brush all that in and come back and talk to you guys when I put the puff on.
So I decided to do a high puff this time because the low puff was getting a little old for me, and plus I needed to really wash my hair, wash all the gel out because it was starting to wear off anyway, and it was starting to leave white residue on my hair, so I was like, I'm just gonna wash it out. Yeah, I already slicked my hair up into a ponytail. If you haven't seen my ponytail video, it was a curly drawstring ponytail. Go check that one out because I pretty much follow the same method there. Because I have really thick hair, so I have to do a couple steps to actually get it to be into a ponytail. So go check out that video. Thank you. Anyway, back to this. Sit. So this is the Afro curly human hair bun from YIROO. I kind of like how it looks now anyway because it's worn out. I wore it for less than a week. Like I said, I probably would. Oh, it's cute already. Kind of put them, I guess, not too high up. This is really cute. This is something that I could like take out whenever I just want to do like a quick easy style because it's human hair. It can't really look bad, I guess, because it's a puff. So but yeah, that's the high puff style. Oh, I was gonna try, I don't know, This not the same texture. I don't know. You could do that if you wanted some bangs. I don't know. Probably not. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the tutorial on this little high puff, and for watching all my other videos, and for getting my how to straighten your curly synthetic wig to 1K views. Keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing. We got to get a bigger team here. I am ready for it, ready for more content, ready to engage with all of you and share what I love to do.